Okay, so the last thing that we're going to want to do, as I mentioned in previous videos, is to, if the student gets the answer wrong, after it draws in the correct triangle, take you to a slide that kind of goes over the definition of that particular trig function and kind of walk you through an example of it. I'll lay it out just on the basic slide that's already been worked out. So again, if you get it wrong, the last thing it's going to have you do is broadcast what I call the wrong sine answer, and then wrong cosine answer, wrong tangent answer for the other two. And what we can do in our backdrop is when I receive the wrong sine answer, it's going to switch backdrop to backdrop 1, or cosine answer if it would switch it to background 2, and so on. And so what I did is in my backdrops, I created some other slides that will kind of hopefully help the student figure out what they did wrong. So if they got the wrong sine answer, it would say, remember, sine is equal to the ratio of opposite over hypotenuse, and then it works out a basic example for a 60-degree reference angle on the unit circle. Here's the opposite side, here's the hypotenuse. I try to color code it so they can see what the correct answer would be, okay? And then they can press the green flag and then start the whole process over with. Same thing for cosine, same thing for tangent. You can modify these any way you want, just something so that the student can figure out, well, what is the correct way to do it, and maybe kind of see what they did wrong to begin with. Okay. So again, that's laid out there, and then you want to make sure when the green flag is clicked, you always go back and switch to the original backdrop with the basic unit circle on the XY axis.